Okay, so in this video, let me just show you how to do the final thing, right? We need to express this resistance as a best guess plus or minus some uncertainty, okay? So I found the slope of the most steep line and the least steep line, right? And the least steep line is actually the biggest resistance, right? Okay, because what R is really V over I, right? And the slope of this line is I divided by the rise over the run is I divided by V, right? So the slope of this is the reciprocal of resistance. Very, very complicated, okay? So for this, I got a slope of 0.5163, and then when I took the reciprocal of that, I got 1.937, and that's the number right there. And then for this guy, when I found the slope of the least steep line, which is this guy circled with the circled endpoints, okay, like that, I found that slope to be 0.4025, which the reciprocal of that is 2.484. So now let's find the reciprocal of this guy. So what is 1 over 0.468? Okay. 0.468 to the minus 1 is 2.137. Okay. So this is, by the way, my best guess. Oh, we got an announcement. Lonnie. Lonnie to the main office. Okay. That's Lonnie Smither. It's not Smithers, it's Smither. All right. So 2.137. This is our best guess for the resistance of the wire. Okay. This is the lowest that it could be. This is the highest it could be. But we need to express this IB style, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go high minus low divided by 2. This is, the most sophisticated statistics we do in physics, right? Okay, so I'm going to go alpha F1, okay? I'm going to choose that, and I want the highest one, which is this guy, minus the lowest one, which is going to be that 1.936, right? You don't have to type in all those numbers. I'm just all spastic, and then I want to divide that by 2, okay? So there is my highest slope. I just calculated them. They're on my calculator. There's my lowest slope. I'm going to divide that by 2, and I get that it's 0.27388. And this is ohms. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is express this as with a 2-digit uncertainty. So if that were 2 digits, you'd say it's plus or minus 0.27. Okay, ohms. So for this guy, I'm going to say that it's 2.14, because I took the 2.137 and I rounded it to the tenths and hundredths place, plus or minus 0.27, okay? Now we could also, I'm not sure which one IB wants us to do. I've heard 2 digits, but I've also heard 1 digit. So if with 1 digit, we'd say 2.1 plus or minus 0.3 ohms. Oh, these are ohms, okay? Either one of these would be just fine, okay? That's what I got. I got either 2.14 plus or minus 0.27, which I kind of like all these digits, but probably, this is, I don't even know. I think IB wants us to, if you propagate an uncertainty or calculate it, 2 digits, but I think either one would be fine. Either one's fine for me. All right.